Welcome to Smacky's Garage. Today we're going to be installing our Husky wheel well liners on our 2018 F150. Alright, so today we're going to be installing our wheel well liners. So you can see me behind me on the truck. You know, these here, I believe they come with a lifetime guarantee, and they're made so that they actually protect the suspension. They protect the body from the rocks, from the salt, from any road debris that could be thrown up. And it also looks a lot better on the truck than it does as it is now. So let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, so in the wheel well liner there's going to be 4 screws that you're going to need to put in. There's going to be 2 captive screws or 2 captive nuts that you're going to have to put in. You can see them there, kind of on the right side and left side of the tire, or in the right side and left side of the light. You're going to add those 2 captive nuts, and that's what you'll screw into. But there'll be a total of 4 screws that hold everything together. So here are the wheel well liner clips that it comes with, or the captive nuts. Actually it's captive thread. So you're going to be sticking this in place, and that's going to be what is used to locate the screw. Go ahead and get the second one in. Now we're going to grab the liner that's marked passenger side and put that in and over the tire. Alright, now that we have that in place, we're going to drive in the 2 screws in the center. So now I just got to locate where this screw's going and where this screw's going. To get this one in place, I really had to pull this around and look for that. So now I'm going to try doing the same thing with the front one. I'm not going to tighten it up all the way, but I'll tighten it up somewhat just so it doesn't come out. So let's go ahead and do the front one in the front. Alright, so they're both in place. I'm not going to tighten them down until I get the other 2 in place. So the screw up here and the screw back here. So let's go ahead and do that. The nice thing about working on a truck is you don't really need to lift off the ground to work on it. Alright, so the last hole is right here. And kind of all you have to do is slide this nut, this one here, in from the back to hold it in place. Now the last one's going to be back here. So it's right back here, behind the mud flap. Get the screw through the hole. Alright, now it's one fully installed. Alright, so it's in place. You can see up there, you use it as a nut, that piece that they give you, and then you just tighten it down. In order to do it with the wheel, with the mud flaps on it, you're gonna have to use a right angled Phillips to be able to get to it. But it's in place, we got one side done. So to do the driver's side, you do the same exact thing again. You can see by the before and after, it looks so much better now with the wheel well liner installed. Thanks for tuning in to Smacky's Garage today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and I'll see you next time.